The TCL Amazon exclusive 55 packs 120Hz refresh rate into your living room, and after using it, here's exactly what stood out. Are you tired of watching movies and TV shows with jarring motion blur? Do you want to feel like you're right in the action, with every frame crystal clear? This TV delivers that and more. And at this price point, it's an absolute steal. I mean, who can afford a premium 120Hz panel when you can have one of the best for under $500? Let's start with the picture quality. The TCL Amazon exclusive 55 is an absolute powerhouse in terms of color and contrast. With its HDR Pro Plus with Dolby Vision, HDR10 Plus, HDR10, and HLG, it can display a wider range of colors and nuances than even the most expensive TVs on the market. And what does that mean for you? It means that every scene will pop, every detail will shine, and every movie will look like it was shot yesterday. But color is just one part of the story. The real magic happens with motion. This TV has a 120Hz refresh rate, which means that every frame is displayed at least twice as often as traditional TVs. The result? Smooth, seamless motion that makes even the most action-packed scenes feel silky smooth. No more blur, no more judder, just pure, unadulterated entertainment. And then there's the processor. The TCL AIPQ Pro Processor is one of the most advanced processors on the market, and it makes all the difference in terms of picture quality. It intelligently optimizes color, contrast, and clarity to deliver an unrivaled 4K HDR experience that will leave you speechless. But what about audio? Does this TV just have okay speakers, or is there something special going on here? The answer is yes, Dolby Atmos audio is on board, which means that you'll feel like you're right in the action. Every note, every sound effect, and every voice will come alive with crystal clarity. Now, I know what you're thinking, okay, this all sounds great, but what about the features? Well, let me tell you, this TV has some of the most impressive features on the market. With 4 high-speed HDMI inputs including one with eARC, you'll be able to connect your gaming console, set-top box, AV receiver, and more without any hassle. And then there's the remote control. Instead of a clunky old voice remote, this TV comes with an Apple AirPlay 2-enabled smart remote that makes it easy to find what you love instantly. Just use hands-free voice control or tap on your favorite app to launch it. But here's the thing, none of these features matter if you can't get them to work reliably. That's why this TV has fast Wi-Fi 5 connectivity and works with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit for easy hands-free control. Whether you're using voice commands or manually adjusting settings, everything is a breeze. And finally, let's talk about the price. The TCL Amazon exclusive 55 is an absolute steal at under $500. You won't find a better TV with these specs anywhere else, not from any other brand. Trust me, I've done my research. So what are you waiting for? Click that link below and get ready to experience the ultimate home entertainment system.